Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw Redline from Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with the visor area first. So we're just going to draw one curve all the way around. So this is going to be the top of the visor. And then once you have that, just kind of come in on the sides. Just kind of have it slant in slightly. And then we're just going to close it off with a slightly steeper curve. So this is probably the trickiest part. Okay, so once you have this shape, then we can fill in the rest of the helmet. So the rest of them is a lot easier. So we just got from the side here, just draw like a line. So you're almost just kind of giving it the same line as this, just slightly longer. And then on the bottom here, we're just gonna close it off with a steep curve. Okay, so that's the bottom, and then the top one is just gonna be, this is almost gonna be like a semicircle. So we're just gonna curve it up and down. And I know sometimes, these simple shapes are actually pretty difficult to draw. So once you have this, we're gonna draw one stripe in the middle. We're gonna draw two lines in the middle. So find the midpoint, draw two lines, and then we're gonna draw one line on each side. Okay, so one here, another one here. So these two lines are gonna be filled in. Okay, so once you have that, we're gonna draw a little oval shape here, some details on the helmet. So almost like an egg shape, but a little bit sharper. And then to finish off the mask, just kind of come down and you can draw in two lines right here on the side. And then just kind of angle it. Okay, so very simple helmet. So now we're going to move on to the body. So the body is pretty simple too. It's just very generic. So for her neck, which is going to come straight down. And then we're going to close it off on the collar. Going to come out for the shoulder. Okay, and then on the side here, this is going to be where arm's going to come out, which is going to come down straight. Okay, and then we're going to pinch it in to the waist. So we're just going to curve it in and then close it off. And she's only wearing one belt, so I'm just going to extend it slightly. Just draw a rectangle on the bottom. And the belt's easy, so here's the belt buckle. And some details right here. Draw like a little long rectangle, and then for the loops, one on each side. And then let's come back up here. She's got a collar here, so we just gotta draw another line. So that one's easy. And then for the strap here, start here, come out and just kind of curve it to the edge. Okay, so come out, just curve it out. Okay, and then for the chest area, we're gonna come in. So we're gonna continue this line, just kind of come in slightly. So in the corner here, we're just gonna curve in. Okay, so that's the upper body. Let's draw our arm. So this one's pretty simple. Here's the armpit. And then here's your shoulder. So we're not gonna make it too strong. Biceps here, we're just gonna draw two brackets. So here's the elbow. Lower arm, curve out, come back in, right about the belt area right here. Close it off, and then her glove, we're gonna add one section here for the wrist. And then we're just gonna give her a fist, so we're gonna come down here, curve it, that's gonna be her thumb, back of the fist, and then just turn it in there. And then just got open finger glove, so we're just gonna draw little line there, little bracket. All right, so that's one arm, and the other one's gonna be pretty much the same, but it's a little bit extra detail. So here's the armpit, shoulder curving down. So just come down slightly and then close it off and give her a little band here, making it a little bit thicker. Okay, and then we're gonna continue this. So we're gonna come down. So it's the same as this, so we're finishing off the bracket here. So here's the elbow, And then lower arm, gotta come out, curve in, out, curve in, and then again close it off. Then one section here for a glove on the wrist area. And then here's the thumb, come down, curve it, back of the fist. Just come in and then just draw an angle there. And then she's got a little strap here in the arm. And then here's the little panel. Alright, so now let's move on to her legs. So come down in the middle, make a little mark. And then on the side here, we're going to continue this, come down. Okay, not too muscular, so just one curve. And then we're going to curve this one this way. And close it off. Knee pad, we're just going to draw in a square. Add 2 lines there, and then let's finish up the other side first. So other side, we're going to come down. Same curve as this side. Down, close it off. And this one doesn't have a knee pad, so this one's just going to be a knee. So just draw a bracket like this, kind of slightly taper inward. And then we're going to come out. And then we just kind of close this off. Okay, so let's move back to the other legs first. I always like to draw this one first. Okay, so we're going to finish up the armor piece here. Come out. And taper it in. Close it off. And then dome shape here. Close it off. And then we're going to extend it slightly, and then we're going to draw in the larger bottom of the shoe. And here's the detail. Just come in here, draw two little rectangles. Okay, and then let's see. All right, let's finish up some details here. So she's got a strap here. So 2 straps. And then we're just going to continue this line but behind the strap. So we're going to come all the way down. All right. So now let's draw the other side, and this time it's just going to be a boot. So we're going to just taper it in. Close it off. Same thing, dome shape. Close it off, and then extend slightly, and then just draw in a really thick sole. Makes the shoe a little bit more powerful. Okay, and then let's see, for the laces, it's gonna be easy. I'm just gonna draw in 2 loops like this, and then I'm just gonna draw in a bunch of lines coming down. And then lastly, she's got, let's see, she's got some straps here. So 1 and 2. Okay, and then let's see, if you want to add in some of her tattoos and stuff, I'm gonna switch to a thinner Sharpie here. And I'm just gonna draw in, let's see, it's a little bit tricky. There's a lot of tattoos, so I'm just gonna simplify it. So you don't have to follow this if you don't want to. You can make your own patterns. So I'm just gonna come in. Looks like she's got some of these arcs. Okay, a little triangle there, and this one's gonna come across. And then a lot of little sharp angles. Come all the way down. Another one of these smaller shapes, and then I'm gonna draw 2 little angles there. And then she's got some, well, the other side is gonna be, I think it's supposed to be the same, so just gonna draw kind of what I drew on the other arm. Okay, but we can't see it, so I'm just gonna add in some of these sharper lines and angles. Yeah, I think there's some on her neck, so I'm just gonna draw some of these. And that is it for this Redline skin in Fortnite. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.